Hey, what is up? That's right, man. It's your boy, Coach O. I'm coming at you with a hot topic, man. That's right. We're going right here on the side. If you can't see me, that's right. I'm talking about the love handles. Oh yeah, that troubled area on the side. I'm gonna let you in on a secret on this workout. You don't wanna miss it. Please join me. All right, welcome. We're going into what I would consider a trouble area for a lot of people, all right? The love handles right here, this gob of stuff that we have here on our side. We wanna deal with that, guys. I'm gonna show you some exercises you can do to target this area here. And I'm gonna clue you in on a little secret later on that's gonna also maybe change your whole perspective on how you attack this area. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do a leg raise with an arm crunch. So we're gonna come here with an arm extended overhead. And as you can see, I'm laying down very comfortable on that one arm. You also can do it from this position here all the way down to the ground with the head supported. So I'm gonna come back up here. Again, my target is this area. I'm gonna have a nice extension and squeeze, and squeeze, squeeze. We're going for 2 sets of 16 repetitions. 4, 5, 6, 7. Stretch it out. Yes. 8. And relax. Again, our focus here is squeezing right here on the top part. Now you're gonna feel some burning in the leg as well. So those muscles are under static tension. That's good. That's some nice muscle shiver for that leg. That's gonna help create some nice tone in those leg muscles. Here we go for that second set. Again, right here, focusing. Now, I like to get a nice stretch. So I want you to picture in your mind that you're trying to gather up as much of what you have here, and then we're gonna squeeze it all out once we get to the top, all right? So it's that stretch, we're gathering it and squeeze it right there, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Good. Come on, I know that leg is burning. Come on, stay with me. And 16. Relax, relax. Now, you're also gonna feel some tension in the glute muscles. It's okay, because we're raising that leg up, so we're working those glute muscles as well. So that's just extra credit for you right there. Here we go. We're gonna swing it to the other side, and let's knock out this side here, all right? Again, same position, nice and comfortable here on the ground, nice extension with the arm, and squeezing at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right there, nice work, guys. Woo, you can feel that burn, guys. All right, so stay in it. Again, your breathing is like, and when you feel that burn, when you have a nice breathing rhythm or breathing pattern, that breathing can actually help you deal with that burn that's happening in the muscles, all right? So the more we breathe, inhale and exhale, the more we can deal with that muscle, that burning. Now I will say this, to the degree that you feel that burn, you have to breathe. So if it's really intense, we gotta get into some intense breathing. And try to stay relaxed. Here's that second set. 7, 8, 9, 10, Come on, stay there. I know it's burning. 13. Come on, 3 more. There we go, and relax, relax. Got that nice squeeze going. So now we're going into what we call a crossover. So I'm gonna sit here from a leaning position, seated on the floor. My knees are gonna be bent. I'm gonna lean back on about a 45-degree angle. Now I'm gonna rotate and hook my hands together here or in this fashion, and I'm gonna drop them to the outside of my mat here and over here, just like that. Now, make sure we're leaning back and not sitting upright in this position. Again, we're gonna do 2 sets of 16 repetitions. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, there are a lot of variations of this exercise. There are people who perform them with the legs in the air. I kind of like to keep my legs on the ground because, again, I'm focusing on trying to isolate my midsection, all right? So when you bring those feet up, there's a tendency for those legs to kind of follow you a little bit. So I like to keep them braced on the ground. That way I can focus on turning my torso as much as I can. Here's that second set of 16 reps. Head, shoulders, arms, everything. And relax. Again, those exercises can be performed for pretty much a lot of reps, all right? So you can take that all the way up to a 20 count. You can take it up to a 30 count or even higher. And there's also some more ballistics involved in that. But however, at its base form, that's a good workout for that area. Now, here we go into what is called a bird dog. Again, focusing on that lower back and those love handles. So we're coming from all fours. Make sure those hands are in line under the shoulders and those knees are in line under the hips. We're going opposite arm, opposite leg. We're gonna be raising up. Here's that opposite arm and opposite leg. Now the key here, navel, always sucked into the spine. Very important, we wanna keep that spine in that neutral position. We don't wanna work in that cow position. That's a nice stretching position here. However, we don't wanna work there. We wanna work here with that nice neutral spine and that navel sucked in to the spine. So here we go, opposite arm, opposite leg. We're performing 10 of these on each side for 2 rounds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Relax, relax, great job. All right, let's go. We're gonna alternate these, taking it to the other side here. For that second set, we're going left arm, right leg, all right? So here's that left arm, right leg combo right there. 1, 2, nice extension on that back leg, nice extension on the arm. And relax, relax. Now we're going into the other side for that second set of 10 reps. Here we go. Stay with me. You got this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax. As you can see on that set, I did kind of raise my head up from a downward looking position straight down to kind of an upward position with my hands. That is kind of a motion to go into mud is more of a back extension where we can kind of feel a little bit more of that focus coming right here in that lower back area. All right, so let's go to the other side. Again, I'm gonna use that upward head position on this one. If you do have some neck injuries, again, you wanna keep that head looking straight down just like that. But we're going up for our third rep. Here we go. Come on, 2 more reps. And relax, relax. Now, this next exercise, yes, it's the secret, man. It's the secret, and I'm gonna let you in on it right now. Hey, that's right, man. Awesome job on completing that workout, man, for those love handles. Listen, I know you're gonna get some great results from that, guys, all right? So please, please, as with all exercise programs, please make sure you contact your medical professional and have clearance before you start participating. Thank you.